We see a trend that modular inserts are becoming more relevant because they offer the flexibility needed for new applications. Modular inserts combine signal, data, power and pneumatics into one insert. This adds value by reducing the number of individual connections needed and combines everything into a protective housing. Since every application is different, More Electronics' modeling-heavy product range allows you to create combinations that are the best solution for your application. Modular inserts are installed in especially designed frames that are compatible with the market standard. They are held into place with a click mechanism or retaining clip. They fit into housing size B, and More Electronic has 4 different frame sizes and over 20 different modular inserts available. The modeling-heavy inserts can be used in various applications. If you're transmitting gigabits of data, we have modules that feature high transmission rates and contacts that fulfill the Profinet Category 6A standard. Data can be transmitted via an industry standard RJ45 using the transmission rate Category 5. If you're using a Profibus solution, you can use a Quintex module. In the next video, we'll look at the More Electronic tools to install modeling-heavy products. Stay tuned or visit moreelectronic.com.